Hey everyone, thinking about canceling your Canva Pro subscription. Whether you're switching to the free plan or simply don't need the premium features anymore, Canva lets you cancel your subscription in just a few steps. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to cancel Canva Pro and what happens after your subscription ends. So let's get started. First, sign in to the Canva account that has the active Pro subscription. Make sure you're using the correct account before making any changes. Next, click your profile icon and open Settings. From there, go to the Billing and Plans, Subscription, or similar section, depending on your version of Canva. Now find your active Canva Pro subscription. Here you'll be able to view your current plan, renewal date, payment method, and available subscription options. Click Cancel Subscription or the equivalent option available on your account. Canva may ask why you're canceling and may display offers to keep your subscription active. Simply follow the prompts until the cancellation is confirmed. After canceling, verify that you've received a confirmation message or email. Your Canva Pro features will usually remain available until the end of your current billing period, unless your subscription terms state otherwise. If you originally subscribed through the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll generally need to cancel your subscription through that same platform instead of directly in Canva. The cancellation process depends on where your subscription was purchased, and that's how to cancel Canva Pro. After your subscription ends, your account will continue on the Canva free plan unless you choose another paid plan later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.